Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to create glow effect in Photoshop. Select image which you want to create for glowing image. This image you can also download, link is available in description below. Using pen tool, select the book pages area. Follow the process. After completing selection, press Ctrl+J, new layer via copy. Select subject using pen tool. Follow the process. Follow the process. Remove the unwanted area. Follow the process. Create new glow book folder, and drag that layer into it. Apply blending mode to linear dodge, add, and create that layer to smart object. Apply Gaussian blur radius to 5%. Duplicate that layer and apply Gaussian blur radius to 100%. Again, duplicate that layer and apply Gaussian blur radius to 250%. Create new adjustment layer of color lookup for moonlight effect. Create another adjustment layer of hue and saturation layer. On layer of hue and saturation layer, select colorize and apply which color you want to apply. After applying this process, create duplicate hue and saturation layer. Create clipping mask on hue and saturation layer on glow book layer. Apply layer mask on that hue and saturation layer. Double-click on hue and saturation layer and apply layer style. Follow the process. At the last we apply blending mode pass-through to linear dot. This is the final result. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.